Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am so excited for today's video. If you can't already tell, I've had quite a bit of my coffee already. I am so ready. So this video is going to be, if you don't already know from the title, is a prep and a plan with me for our upcoming trip to Florida / Disney. So I am so excited. Before we get started, though, I do have a couple of disclaimers. So, one is we are not staying on Disney property. Blessed that I have quite a lot of family, and so does my husband, that actually live in Florida. So we always have somewhere to stay. So that is just one thing that I just want to make clear. You guys are aware that we are not staying on Disney property. Two, although I am calling this Disney kind of prep and pack with me, we are actually only going to 2 Disney parks in 10 days. So we are going for 10 days. That is including travel days, so 8 full days and 2 travel days. So with that being said, we are actually only going to Disney for 2 days. I will get into those days in just a second, but I do want to make those little disclaimers because I feel like a lot of people go for 5 days and they stay 4 days. Like they go every single day to the parks. Personally, my toddler is not that kind of baby. She gets overwhelmed pretty easily, and she does not really like being around a lot of people. Same. So we do have a lot of in between breaks and chill days for her. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. If you are excited for this content, please don't forget to like this video. And I'm actually going to leave this right here. Leave this emoji down below so I know that you are still watching this video. And let's go ahead and get into what we are doing. All right, so on the screen, you're going to go ahead and see this guy. I'm going to go ahead and flash it out there. Yours does not have, flight numbers, dates, or times and things like that of certain things, because obviously safety reasons. It also doesn't have the dates that we are going, again, for safety reasons, but mine does down here. So I'm going to be going off of this. All right, so we are going on a Friday. We are landing midday. Well, kind of midday. We're landing like 5:30. So I say 5:30 because you guys know flights. Hoping that no delays. So we are landing on a Friday. I do have the little sons there is going to actually have the weather, but I'm literally waiting till last minute to put that in. Even though I know it's going to be hot, it's mainly to make sure I know what days it's planned to rain. Even though it might be every day. But yeah, Friday is literally going to be a landing, going straight to my aunt's house, relaxing, chilling, having my daughter really kind of get used to the environment. They were actually just here, so she already knows them. She kind of already played with them, gave them a couple of little smiles, so we're good on that side. All right, and then the next day it is on Saturday. So on Saturday I have a little grocery basket there because we are going grocery shopping to make sure we are set for the next couple of days. My daughter loves snacking like milk, cereal, eggs. She loves breakfast. She eats breakfast every morning. She asks for that no matter what. So we are just making sure that she is good on that front, water, everything like that. Obviously I don't make my aunt buy all that stuff. So we're gonna go grocery shopping. And that is literally all I have planned for that day because I want my daughter to get used to being in her little new environment for the next couple of days. And also my godmother and cousin do arrive that day and they are staying at my aunt's house as well. So I want her to get comfortable with the environment that we're going to be in for a couple of days. All right, now we are on to Sunday. Sunday, I have nothing planned. I honestly planned that to be like a pool day. Have a nice burgers outside. Have my daughter be in the pool, play outside. Again, getting comfortable in her little environment. If she wants to go to the dollar store, we'll go to the dollar store. That's something we do here at home all the time. Again, I just want her to be in. I don't want to shock her with just going straight into things. I know a lot of people do that, and yeah, we have the luxury to just stay at my aunt's house and allow her to get comfortable. So I just want to give her that comfortable time and to be able to run around and be her normal self. Sunday, my in-laws and my sister-in-law and her husband arrive on Sunday. So Sunday we're not going to see them though because they do arrive really late at night. So we're not going to see them. And Monday is when the fun starts happening. So on Monday, we are actually going to Disney Springs. I personally love Disney Springs. I know my godmother loves Disney Springs and mom loves Disney Springs. I don't even know if my sister-in-law's ever gone to Disney Springs, if I'm being 100% honest. But this is actually the first time we go to Florida. Well, I haven't gone to Florida with my mom since I was like 12. And my husband and me as a family have never gone with his parents. We've gone with my sister-in-law, but not with his parents. So it's a big trip with a lot of family, and I'm so excited. I even told my husband this might not happen ever again. We don't know. So I'm very, very grateful for this trip. I'm gonna cry, you can tell. Anyways, so that Monday we're going to Disney Springs, and now they actually do like a drone show at Disney Springs. So I have that written down. That the show is at 9. I believe they have another one later on, but I only want to see the first one since it's a little bit earlier. And I don't want my toddler to go to bed too late because the following day is gonna be a little wild. But I'm excited. I want to go to Disney Springs. I love Disney Springs, so I'm excited for that and get some shopping in. On Tuesday now, we are going to Magic Kingdom. So I personally love Magic Kingdom. My daughter loves princesses and she loves castles. So I have very high hopes that she's going to have fun. I do want to get her to see if she will go on a couple of rides. I don't want to do anything crazy because the last time we went, I feel like I put her in a ride that kind of ruined it the rest of the trip. So I do want to see if she would at least go on, like, It's a Small World or Peter Pan, that I feel are like lighter rides. And we'll see how it goes from there. I don't want to freak her out, to be 100% honest. And we have all the grandparents there, so I'm pretty sure that she will be happy with going to the park with them. So not the park, but like, the little play areas with them. So I feel like she'll be happy. On Magic Kingdom Day, though, I also chose to do Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween for 2 reasons. One, because we're not going to be there for rope drop. That's not possible. My daughter hates mornings. So I'm going to let her sleep, chill, relax, get ready like normal, and then we head out and meet my in-laws. That'll be the second day she'll see them. So, that is the plan. And then Magic Kingdom actually closes at 6, but we're doing Not So Scary Halloween, so we could stay till midnight, which I think we're gonna leave like 11 or 10, to be honest, not maybe till midnight, depending on how my toddler is doing. Playing it by ear. But I really wanted to do Not So Scary, because I love Halloween and because we are not going earlier in the day. All right, so now we are on Wednesday. We are going to Old Town Kissimmee. Honestly, I just love the vibe there. It's like a little carnival. It's just a good vibe. So I thought we would just go ahead and kind of have a chill day, afternoon-ish, there, just to kind of go around there. The next day is actually my father-in-law's birthday, so we might actually go out to eat to celebrate it on that Wednesday instead of Thursday. Since on Thursday we are going to Hollywood Studios. I feel like a lot of people don't like taking their kids to Hollywood Studios. I'm not really thinking about that, to be honest. For this, I'm actually thinking more my husband. Star Wars, he hasn't seen any of that, so I think he would absolutely love it. My daughter does like Toy Story, and again, grandparents are there, so they will be able to help us distract her and keep her entertained. All right, so now we are at Friday. So Friday we are party prepping. So literally my mom, me, my titi, and my godmother are basically on birthday party prep duties. So checking out the food, seeing making sure everything that we need is going to be prepped and ready for that Saturday, which is going to be her birthday party. But back to Friday, we are going to have like a little cookout probably again, and just some pool time, relax time for my daughter. She just had 2 big park days that I want her to kind of just relax and chill. Saturday, we are having her 3rd birthday party. It is going to be Minnie Mouse themed. I'm so excited having everybody there to celebrate her. I feel like it's not something that always happens because my dad does live over there. So this will be the first birthday party that my dad will actually be in her pictures. And then the fact that like my titi's there, she's like never, she lives over there. So it's just going to be really nice to have everybody together. I don't want to cry. All right, and then on Sunday we come back home. I did again pick a little bit of a later flight. We fly around 3-ish. Yeah, 3-ish. So we basically will be home by the time it's not bedtime, but at least give me time to get my husband's stuff ready because he actually works the following day. So yeah, that is our little trips roundup, I guess you can say. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, 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 please don't forget subscribe and like this video. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. If you want to see more traveling videos to come, I'm actually going to do a whole bunch of videos prepping and getting ready. You guys did vote that you guys wanted smaller videos on little steps of packing, so that is what I'm going to do. Again, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm so excited. Bye guys.